What was once a lifeline problem for the poor and the working class people in the Shivaji Nagar has been effectively seen at Homi Baba Hospital over here. Right now, we are standing outside over here. Shivaji Nagar has been effectively remained out of service for nearly a decade. The Pune Municipal Corporation's Baba Hospital shut for the redevelopment in 2017 with the premises of a modern new facilities by 2019 is yet to become fully operational, leaving nearly 1.25 lakh residents without access to the affordable civic health care. Over here, the hospital served as the only municipal healthcare facilities for the residents of Gokhale Nagar and Janwadi and other surrounding areas. It is offered as OPD services, maternity care, and other essential medical facilities, making it a crucial healthcare center for laborers, daily wage workers, and economical weaker sections who could not afford the private hospitals. However, after the old structure was declared unsafe and which was not only safe for the patients over here, that has now been totally demolished for redevelopment, residents were left without a local public hospital nearly 7 years after the promised completion date. The project remains unfinished. The redevelopment plan was approved in 2017 soon after newly elected corporators took office. A newly multi hospital was proposed and civic officials was elected representatives assured that citizens must get the facility by the operation of 2019, yet has failed to meet the successive deadlines over here. Although an outpatient department was partially opened last year, the hospital is still not functioning at full capacity. For the residents, for the critical medical services, residents blame a combination of administration empathy, funding, the delays, and and even we have seen the poor project management over here for the prolonged time. They point out that none of the corporators representing the area at the time was residents of the locality, resulting in an inadequate attention to the difficulties faced by the local residents as well as the citizens over here. For the 1.25 lakh people dependent on the facility, this issue is no longer a short issue about an unfinished building, but the access to the basic public services. Questions are now being raised about when the remaining work will finally be completed, when a firm deadline will be announced, and when Shivaji Nagar residents will get back the full-fledged municipal hospital over here. Even providing primary health care and maternal services is one of the municipal corporation's foremost responsibility. However, unnecessary delays have been continued for years, even forcing nearly 1.25 lakh residents to depend on expensive private hospitals for the treatment. As we have seen, like the hospital was shut for the redevelopment process in 2017 and it should be operational from 2019. It was shut because of the facilities over here, because we see many people work over here and seeing not properly furnished, this is also a major problem. But still, after the elections and no one is representative, but still we have to see what further actions will be taken regarding this, because a hospital is a hub like in this area like Shivaji Nagar and Gokhale Nagar and other parts of this area. This hospital need to be fully finished because many residents as well as citizens come over here for the treatment. With camera person Ajay, I am Harjit Kaur from Pune Times Mirror, Pune.